It's 3 a.m., and you're lying in bed, staring at the ceiling, completely still. You've been awake for a while now, eyes fixed on the clock showing 3 a.m. Then suddenly, out of nowhere, your body jolts upright in pure shock. Your face freezes, eyes wide, mouth open. That feeling just hit you. A memory just crawled out of nowhere, a cringe moment involving someone else. Your face goes hot, heat rising, sweat forming. Your body is reacting like it's happening right now. Your stomach literally flips. Your body is treating this like a physical emergency. You pull the blanket completely over your head like that's going to make it stop. Why does your brain do this to you? Why dig this up? And why at exactly 3 a.m.? During the day, your brain is slammed. Desk, tasks, papers, nonstop noise. You're checking things off, staying busy. Your brain has no time for old memories. It has a voice telling you, calm down. That wasn't even that bad. But then night comes. You're lying in bed. Nothing around you. Total silence. That rational voice? Gone. The speech bubble is empty. Nothing keeping you grounded. What turns on instead is something called the default mode network, your brain's internal system. Think of it like a screensaver. When nothing is playing, old footage starts cycling through. And what does it play? Your memories, rising up one by one from your own head. It starts digging through files, sorting through everything stored from your past. It pulls out the worst ones first, the ones labeled worst memory sitting right at the top. The memory lights up inside your brain, and your face immediately shows it. Your brain sees embarrassment and social danger as the exact same threat, whether a monster or a crowd of people staring at you. The alarm goes off. Danger. Your brain treats this like a real emergency happening right now. Deep inside your brain, the amygdala, your internal alarm, gets triggered and starts firing. Back then, being pushed out of the group was a real threat to survival. Standing alone, separated from everyone with nothing around you, that was deadly. So your brain locked that memory in, padlocked it, stored it permanently. It's 3 a.m., and that padlock just opened. The culprit is a hormone called cortisol, and it's about to cause problems. Your body is gripping the sheets. Every small thing feels threatening right now. Your cortisol levels dropped all the way down to their lowest point around midnight. But now at 3 a.m., they start shooting back up. And that changes everything. Your brain is now chemically wired to make tiny things feel enormous and looming. That tiny, embarrassing moment from years ago now feels like a massive threat towering over you. Inside your head, a storm is forming, and it's building fast. The spiral starts pulling everything inward. Your brain is now completely caught in a loop. And here's the part that makes this so much worse. Listen closely. You try to push the memory away. You resist it with everything you have. It doesn't move. It bounces back twice as hard and knocks you completely off balance. Now you're flat on the floor. The memory is bigger and stronger than before. This is called the ironic rebound effect. The harder you throw something away, the faster it comes back. You tell your brain, do not think about that embarrassing moment. And your brain immediately starts scanning for it constantly just to check if you're thinking about it. You cannot win this tug of war by pulling harder. Your shadow self always wins that fight. So stop pulling, let go. Watch it dissolve the second you stop fighting it. Instead, pick up a pen and write down exactly what you're feeling. Just write the word. One word. Embarrassed? That's it. Say it out loud. Put it in a speech bubble. Name what you're actually feeling. The moment you name it, the storm above your head starts shrinking immediately. Your amygdala on the left is firing, but naming the feeling starts shifting it to calm on the right. Now you can lie back down, with the notebook on your chest, breathing normally, feeling the shift. And here's the thing, just look at that memory. You don't have to fight it, just look. Ask yourself honestly, will this actually matter in 5 years? Watch those years flip by on the calendar, 5 whole years passing in seconds. The answer is almost always no. Shake your head. Let that sink in. Watch the memory float away smaller and smaller, just drifting upward and out, until it's just a tiny dot, almost invisible. Your eyes are getting heavy now. Your brain was never trying to hurt you. It was trying to hold you and protect you. It has been saying this whole time, I am only doing this because I care about you. And now you understand it. The light bulb moment. It finally makes sense. Your brain is overprotective, that's all. It crossed its arms and refused to let go. And now you can lie down peacefully. Eyes closed. A small smile. Finally at rest. That cringe memory floats by one more time. And this time, you just laugh. The spiral is gone. You're standing tall. It dissolved the second you stopped fighting. Wave it goodbye. Watch it drift away. You're free of it now. Your face is calm, eyes closed, peaceful. You made it through the spiral. You are finally asleep. The storm is over. The Z's are floating. Good night.